Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AI Playlist Generator. When visiting the website, first thing you'll see is our homepage. This is where you can find a brief description of exactly what our app does. Now, let's take a look at the top right corner. You'll see a button that says Log in with Spotify. Let's go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to Spotify, where you will be asked to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here you will see 6 different tabs, the first being the Explore tab. In the Explore tab, you will see playlists, ordered by the amount of likes they have that were created by other users. With these playlists, you can choose to view the playlist on Spotify or follow a particular creator. More on that later. From here, let's take a look at the Create tab. This is where all of the magic happens. Here we can create playlists using AI by giving it a prompt and choose to give it a playlist name. Once this is done, we can go ahead and click Create Playlist. There is a bit of wait time, so let's skip through that. And let's take a look at what's really happening behind the scenes. The playlist generation algorithm starts working as soon as the user logs in and goes to the dashboard. We pull the user's top tracks and artists and temporarily store it before the user even prompts the AI. Once the user prompts for a playlist, the magic happens. The prompt hits the OpenAI LLM, and the mood, genres, energy, and specific artists are resolved from the prompt. From this, a list of seed tracks are created in various ways. First, if a specific artist is named, the algorithm chooses up to 5 songs from that artist, and then additional tracks are pulled from the user's top tracks if the genres match up. Finally, the LLM itself will recommend a few tracks that are put into the playlist. From these seed tracks, the remaining songs come from finding playlists that match the genre and seed tracks and taking random selections from them. These songs are all collected and scored based on some metrics such as popularity, seed overlap, year alignment, and novelty. The highest scored tracks are then inserted into the playlist, and then the playlist is served to the user. Once the playlist has been created, there are a few cool things that we can take a look at. One being the ability to generate a playlist cover using AI. If you don't like the playlist, you can remix it and generate a new one. You can add more songs by typing in the name of a song or specific artist. Scroll down just a little, and we see some fun stats about the playlist, including things like a genre blend and popularity score. If we scroll down here, we can see all of the songs in the playlist. Here we can choose to remove songs that we may not want. Once the playlist is to your liking, we can scroll back up and click Save to Spotify to save it to our Spotify account and to the app's database. But real quick, let's go back and take a look at some of those other features. Here we can see the Remix feature. When you click Remix, it will have you type another prompt to change the playlist to whatever vibe you're feeling. Here you can see the new prompt, and if I scroll down, you'll see all of the songs in the new and improved playlist. Let's scroll back to the top and take a look at the playlist cover generator. Here we can type in a prompt and let AI create us a playlist cover. Just another way to customize your playlist to your liking. Perfect. After just a short wait, we have our new playlist cover art. If we go ahead and click Use Image, it will attach it to our playlist, and then we can go ahead and save the playlist to Spotify and the app's database once again. Taking a quick look at the Artists tab, we can see that it will display your personal favorite artists, as well as some artists AI thinks you should check out. Up here, we can click on the Stats tab. Under this tab, we can see some stats involving things from both Spotify and from our app. From Spotify, you can see your follower count and Spotify favorites. From our app, you can see things like number of playlists generated, LLM tokens used, and number of hours for songs generated. Let's stop by the Account tab, where you will see your account settings as well as a logout button. Finally, we can move on to the following tab, Under the last tab here, we will see the creators we are following from the Explore page. Using this, we can view a creator's profile. In their profile, we can see the playlists only they have specifically made. Here, you can also choose to unfollow a creator if you would like. This has been the demonstration of the AI playlist generator. We hope you enjoy.